Hi everybody, this is the editor from Liverpool Dash Cam. I hope you're well and are staying safe. This channel normally puts out a cutting room floor video once a year in December to act as a bit of a Christmas bonus. It's a bit of fun. It's normally a video with a bit of light-hearted observations, silly stuff, and stuff that normally wouldn't make it into a normal compilation. Well, this is one of those, and it's already July, so we have an abundance of extra content to share with you. This isn't a normal dashcam video. As always, you can get your dashcam fix every Friday, 4:30 PM UK time, or of course you can catch up later when you get a moment. This is just a little bit of fun, light-heartedness, so don't take it too seriously, and sit back and enjoy. Thank you.
No idea why he's flashing his hazards. Oh, no way. Exhaust fell off. Oh no. Oh, good. That's jazzy, isn't it?
It's jazzy, yeah. You can't see him.
It's a funky van, isn't it? Pretty cool. Kiss, kiss.
Well, obviously I'm off on, apart from my scan, I'm off on Monday, and obviously I've got the 23rd off as well, so I will do.
What the hell is that? Who the friggin' hell does that to a car?
Someone drawn that? What's that supposed to be?
Seal.
Is that a seal or a dog? It says monkey pup.
Maybe a dog.
Answers in the comment section.
A monkey? Do you know what I really miss?
I am speed.
If it's already there, it just says it's in stock, because she walked off for a good 5 minutes now. I'm guessing to go and get those off the shelf.
Yeah. People queuing for Starbucks drive-through. Why? It's rubbish. Zoom, zoom. Even punks do gardening. Are you changing lanes or just going round the corner? You're just going round the corner. No need for the indicator, but no, thanks for sharing that story. Marvellous, you're in the wrong lane. Oh well, that Focus is powered by bitch dust. So yeah, bitch dust. It's a new type of fuel. Street lights down here, yeah. Welcome, thank you.
Angus, give us your weep and wail. For the rest of your sapling's tail. We're going to do just to get yourself a drink and a finance work to work. You see, there's nothing to it.
Oh, wow, good driving from an Audi. First time for everything.
I mean, it is such an important subject. You did touch on it just a little earlier. Even
ran the red light, what an idiot.
I think he's allowed.
You are not a bus. Neither are you. That is quite a tracksuit.
It is quite a tracksuit. It's a onesie actually.
Was it a onesie?
Yeah. Still quite a onesie.
Psychedelic.
It's actually more freezing cold in here because the wind's There he is!
There he is again. There he is again.
He didn't get very far in all that time, did he?
Not really.
Did it escape? Oh, okay.
Car just fits down here. Please don't scratch the alloys. Oh gosh. Now that is a tight old street.
While you're doing that, I'll clean down.
I've been knocked over already.
Yeah, we've got cardboard.
This site currently choose 9%. Cool.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was like, 9%. That's not very high.
9%. 9% is good going. Bit over, isn't it, mate? That is interesting branding for a business. Independent traders, Cam, lovely jubbly, neat swag. Hey, good old Cam. That guy climbing on the bin. Alright, get it crammed down there, lad. Any reason you're going really slow? What have we got on the back of this one? Dumpster diver. Okay. Born against
Butthole
surfers. Surfers?
Yeah, right.
Butthole surfers. There you go. Nice little additional for your. Oh.
I'm talking on it as well.
No.
Oh, yeah, he's going too fast.
Ah.
That was just too fast. Oh no, that roundabout, no. They cut over a little bit there. You weren't.
She's normally having a go at me.
No, not at all. On that, everyone else is wrong.
Do you know what? Oh, after you, I insist. I can be nice sometimes, you know. Some people think I'm a colossal belle. I'm actually a very nice young man. Maybe less of the young these days, but. Oh. Oh, what is this in front of me? Is that a Lexus? It's like an old 200 or 220 when they record. Oh, hello. That Fabia's rather loud.
What do we do?
I think we just have to wait. I'll try and scare them.
Oh, they're fighting.
Gangster. They're still fighting.
I know. I'd like to watch that back when we get home.
Chevrolet taxi. I've not seen one of those before. Saw plenty in Eastern Europe, but not so many here.
there.
I don't want to do the speed limit. I want to go round everyone and push in front. They did. I don't want to do the limit. I want to push in front like a dickhead.
She pulled out the hammer from under her other arm. She tried to grab another.
What
bottle of
lane
wine
discipline
from
is
the
that?
squads and arrested her.
Let me guess, you're not going to do
And in the
emerging
statement,
turn?
the manager said she.
No, of course you're not.
Under
10 out of 10 for that, mate.
Me with it. I managed
Come over
to
into my lane before the roundabout, and then just sack off the merging turn.
Activist.
Okay, 17 goes right here apparently. Okay. Not quite sure why that's the case. Wedding taxi. Wow. Let's have a look at this modified Nissan Juke then. Wow, look at those sick rims and that amazing body kit. Oh, 75 there. Don't see many 75s kicking around anymore. Big chunky Toyota. Bit of a nice overdone ST there, but someone will like it, no doubt.